This video shows how you can use language definition strings in the tabbed UI component and also the page layout builder. Language definitions were first introduced in the grid component, but they've now been extended to the tabbed UI and page layout. So let's assume that we've got this component here, and we'd like to have the component appear differently for people using, say, French or German or Italian. So the way this works is every string in the component can be tagged with an A5:R tag. So let's go here to the first button, and you can see that the text right now says Ajax callback. So I'm going to go here and tag that with a tag and then a /A5:R, and I'm going to go and tag all of the text, the static text in this component. So I'm done now, and you can see I've tagged the header text over there, and I've tagged all of the button labels have been tagged. So when I preview right now, it's going to just look normal because those A5: tags just get sort of ignored by the browser. But now I'm going to go to my tabbed UI properties, and I'm going to scroll down to language definitions, and this is where I can define my language definitions. So I'll just press this button to get a list of all of the placeholders. So this is all of the text that currently has been tagged, and I can go now and type in the replacement value for the default language. So I can go here and I can go here, and I'll just say button 1 and button 2, button 3 and heading 1, and then let's go here and add a new language, and I'll just call this new as as a simple language, and I'll refresh my list of placeholders, and I'll go here and I'll just call this new button 1, new button 2, new button 3, and new heading. So now let's basically preview our component, and we can just set the active language for testing purposes here by using this property over there. So the default language is going to show button 1, button 2, button 3 and heading over there, and if I go here and change my default language to 1 and then do a preview, you can see now that sorry, not to 1, to new, and then do a preview. You can see here that everything now has changed. So in a real application, this active language would not be set over here, but it would be set by setting a protected session variable with the name of your active language, and you can define as many languages as you want right now. So you can see here we've just created these arbitrarily named languages, but of course in a real application you might have French, German, Spanish, Italian, or as many different languages as you want. And any piece of text that is encoded with the A5 tags, including strings in your JavaScript event handlers, can all be replaced at runtime with the appropriate language files. And this works identically in the page layout component as well. So it's a powerful new feature for people who are building multilingual applications. Thank you very much.